Today's question is, my cat grunts when relaxed and snores when sleeping. Should I be worried?
And then my final question on today's podcast episode is about a cat who grunts when he's breathing. He normally only does it when he's totally relaxed, almost asleep. But he also grunts and then snores when he's in deep sleep. Otherwise, he seems fine. He exercises well. He eats well. He toilets fine. He goes outside on leash walks for 3 to 4 hours a day. So is this grunting and snoring something to be worried about? Also, he's a 10-kilo cat. And described as a kind of standard short-haired cat. So to start with, I question whether he's actually obese. If he's a standard domestic short-hair, then 10 kilograms is a huge weight to be. Obviously there are some breeds of cats that are that big, but definitely obesity is something that can cause this. And if he is obese, then that can cause the airways to become narrow, and that can cause noisy breathing and snoring. Also bearing in mind that an increased weight also increases the risk of arthritis, diabetes, skin disease, and fatty liver or hepatic lipidosis in cats as well. So breathing noises can be an indicator that there is a problem with obesity, but there are a lot of other risks as well. Now, if he's not obese, is he actually a brachycephalic, so a kind of squash nose, short nose breed like a Persian or a Himalayan or a Burmese? These brachycephalic cats have as many problems as the brachycephalic dogs, and that's something I've discussed over on Our Pets Health. And they can have narrow airways, they can have long, soft palates, their throat, their larynx can have abnormalities that mean that they create this noise, and it's a symptom of the problem with the breathing and the narrow airway again. And now, if none of these are a problem and he is otherwise healthy as described, then it's unlikely to be a problem. Just keep an eye out for other breathing changes, and I would suggest that you take a video of your cat while he's snoring and while he's grunting, just to show your vet next time that you visit, because a video is a really powerful tool that we have to show changes that can be quite difficult to describe. So there's some thoughts there.
You've been watching the Dr. Alex Answers video podcast. Remember to subscribe and head over to dralexanswers.com for any links, downloads, and get your question answered.